Hi guys, Sam from DIB Australia. Today we're just doing a quick test on the new Logitech Business Conference Cam, the CC3000e. This is it comprises of a couple of components. There's a speakerphone, which is this module here, which you can just place in the middle of your room or on the table. I've got them all quite close together here. There is a full pan tilt zoom, full high definition conference camera, and it's got quite a good zoom range on it. And then there is there's a remote control as well, which just fairly neatly sits in here. And there's a little hub unit that ties it all together. And at the end of the day, it plugs into the laptop or your device via USB, and it's USB 3. Which is really good because it means that this conference cam actually can run at 1080p. A lot of the USB cameras can't. So this is a bring your own device system. It is optimised for link and Cisco compatible, so it's going to work with your WebEx and GoToMeeting, those sort of products. Windows 7 and 8 compatible. Haven't checked it out, but there must be a Mac driver for it. We're just give it a quick go. So basically, you'd normally have this unit, sitting above the monitor installed, or you could rig it up as a temporary setup. But at the end of the day, the user is going to come along with their laptop. They're going to plug their laptop into the display, which I'm doing here via HDMI. You might have noticed then when I unplugged the USB, the camera actually put itself away. It span away and looked elsewhere. So the user will come along, plug in the USB 3, you can see it's identifying it, and the camera is acknowledging that it's connected. The drivers might take a few seconds to install if you haven't used it before. And then you just run up your conferencing software of choice. So if you're using Link, you use Link. If you use Google Apps, you might use Hangouts. If you just want to use Skype, you can use Skype. Whatever the software-based conferencing application, it's no problem at all. So we'll have a quick go with Google Hangouts, and I'll see if I can call Gabby maybe at her desk. Hopefully she's there, and we'll give this a quick go. Google Hangouts tends to the codec optimizes as it goes, so don't really judge it by the video quality too much here. Now you can see, at the moment I see myself locally on the display until Gabby connects. Hello Gabby! So we're just doing a quick test here using Google Hangouts. Now I'm just going to use the remote control, so actually, can you see me?
Yeah.
But Google Hangouts has actually taken my laptop camera. So
Yeah, I can see the live image of you.
Yep, so you can see I have to go and change the camera over. Google Hangouts for some reason decided to take my laptop camera. Now we're using the conference cam over here. So and I can use a remote to pan that up so Gabby can get a slightly better view. Okay, and I'll just zoom it out, which I think that's probably pretty good. You can see me there okay, can't you? Now actually we'll do a little bit of a test. I'll just use the camera, I'll pan it round, and I'll zoom it in, and we'll see if we can zoom right in on something over there. So you should be able to see the Epson banner behind me, yeah?
Yeah, I can read most of that.
Cool, okay. I might hang up, mate. Can I try ringing you back on Skype just to give that a go?
Sure.
Thank you. If I can hit the hang up button, there we go. Yeah, so that was a quick call using Hangouts, and just to demonstrate that we can use it with whatever software you like, we'll quickly bring up Skype here and see if we can find Gabby in my list. Probably easier if I search on it. G-A-B. Here we go. And let's just try a quick video call. Now I don't know if Skype is going to choose the right camera here. No, it's gone to my laptop camera. So this is the only thing. You do have to set the calling tool to use, and I probably should have done it before, G'day mate, how you going?
Hi.
Okay, so Skype's gone to my laptop camera as well, so I should have set these things before, but I'll just change it now. Over to the conference cam. And audio settings, I think it's already on the conference speakerphone. You just talk for me so I can hear which one it's coming out of.
Hello.
Okay, that's coming out of the right one. And we'll save all that. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So that's all coming through the conference cam, and we're using Skype there.
Looks pretty good on the iPad.
What's that, sorry?
It looks good on the iPad.
Does it? I use it on the iPad.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, well, I mean, the audio's clear now. I'll walk away from the conference phone, so I'm probably about 4 metres away now. Can you hear me okay?
It's the same.
It's the same, is it? I go in the furthest corner of this room. It's not a very big room, but I'm probably 6 metres away. How can you hear me now?
Pretty much the same.
Okay, alright, so the conference, so the actual speakerphone works well, and interestingly the sound sounds probably a little bit better on Skype, I'd have to say, than on Google Hangouts.
Yeah, it's better when you're a little bit further away from the speakerphone as well. It's nice and clear.
Okay, cool. Alright, well that's fantastic. Well, thanks for helping us with that little test. See you, mate.
Bye.
So that's really it. It's as simple as that. So they're a great tool. I suppose the only little hurdle is making sure that the users are set up to select the appropriate camera, because obviously I've got a camera in my laptop, I've got this camera here. And I'll just, if we bring up, or you can just, if you can see the camera here anyway, I'll just demonstrate the zoom adjustment. So I'm not sure if you saw it. So you can see I can spin it around here. So it looks like it's full 180 degrees of actual adjustment available. Give it a go the other way and up. Yep, so you can pretty much point at the roof or point it down. So normally we would install these in a room, mounted above a monitor or on a projector. Make sure the USB socket is somewhere easy and accessible, and provision it so that this can be located in the middle of your conference table. And this has got some controls here that work with link, like picking up the phone, hanging up, and there's a little LCD display here that actually brings in some information. I understand we don't use link here, but I understand with link that you get some calling information coming up here as well. And I'm pretty certain this is a Bluetooth speakerphone as well, so you can just use it for a conference call if you want to Bluetooth it to your mobile or something in a simple scenario like that. So anyway, we've dragged on a little bit long for a quick demo, but that was the Logitech Conference Cam CC3000e. And these are available for purchase or installation from D.I.B. Thanks guys.